I got a job to do. What we have here is part 2 of the Maytag Quiet Series 100. We're going to disassemble the dishwasher and try to find the cause of our noise and water blockage. Start by pulling the bottom rack out. It just slides out and then you lift it out of the way. Next we have some pieces here. You have this bottom washer blade. There's a screw here that you just undo with your fingers, and that just lifts right up out of the way. Just set that out of your way. Next you're going to need 2 tools. You can get them at Sears or a lot of places that sell tools. They're called Torx drivers. You need a T20 and a T10.